The Bible, the all-time bestseller. Some call it Life's Manual, others the Word of God. Many had to die for it in order that others might live through it and be transformed by it. But how well do you know the Bible? Hope Channel Ghana, in partnership with Bible Society Ghana, Lifestyle Network, and Seed Spring Network, presents to you the National Bible Bee.
What was created on the sixth day according to the creation account?
Man and animals.
Man and animals was created on the sixth day.
Get ready to study as you watch the National Bible Bee, premiering Saturday, 11th December at 6 p.m. only on Hope Channel Ghana, your preferred Christian TV station.
I was very happy when they said there was a Bible Bee, because all over the years there had been math, science, and other things. But I was very happy when someone could stand for the Lord just to give a competition.